bought a new monitor, and it was time for an upgrade for my workspace, not my gaming slash whatever, right? Because like I said, I have two different sides on my desk where when I do work, and the other side I actually do like miscellaneous things, like self projects or like, those type of stuff. That has nothing to do with my job. But it was time for me to upgrade because I had a monitor, but the monitor, like I said, was pre-owned and it was a lot of stuff wrong with it. So I couldn't use that monitor no more. So I had to start using my desktop only. And man, that thing sucked. Because imagine having a small screen and that's all you have. But my work involves having a bigger screen. So that's why I got this big guy. So this is a LG 34-inch monitor. And it has smart view and a lot of those smart aspects of it. And, it seems like it's supposed to serve the purpose of entertainment and also doing work. It can be for gaming, but to be honest, I wouldn't recommend it for gaming because, like I said, it's like an entertainment type of monitor, and that's what I kind of needed, just to be a monitor. And for entertainment, when I want to watch something, it's not supposed to be nothing else, nothing more. And yeah, we'll see what happens, what I do with this, but this thing looks beautiful. It's huge, actually. I thought it was gonna be a little bit smaller because the OLED that I have. Oh yeah, that's the thing. It's not OLED. It's I can't remember. But I know it does have HDR. It has no, it's QHD. That's what it was. Ultra wide QHD. So, and also it is curved, as you can tell. So let's go ahead and put this thing together. Alright, so it's been a week since I have updated this new desk and, got a feel for it, and now I'm ready to kind of talk about it. So the LG that I got, the one that's sitting on my left here, is phenomenal. It's doing exactly what I needed to do. I will say that it is pretty big though. I thought it'd be a little bit smaller compared to the OLED. I think I said that already, but compared to the OLED, this thing is, it's pretty big. I think because the OLED is a little bit more, has more curve to it, but I don't know why it's big, but it's still fine regardless, right? I'm not downplaying this, but it's good regardless. And with the LG, it comes with this white remote, so just like the OLED, right, with the operating system, well, the smart monitor, basically, it has the same remote. And the cool thing about all this, I can control both monitors with one remote. But the bad thing about that is that whenever I need to change the input, I can't, so I have to make sure I put the remote at a certain position so that it doesn't catch the other monitor. So yeah, that's also a thing. But other than that, this monitor has been nothing but amazing for me. The QHD is amazing. I don't game on it at all. Whenever I am gaming, I use it as a second monitor for me just to get on it and just do whatever I need to do on it. This video is more so about my updated version of my desk. I will be making a separate video on that LG probably next, but I don't know, but I will be making a video on that. But we're just talking about the whole desk right here, right? So let's go ahead and talk about the next upgrade I did, and this is this bad boy right here. So basically, this is just a computer holder for my company's laptop, and kind of have that placeholder for the second monitor. So it kind of sits right there, right? Because I don't have any other space to put it at, and this just looks more clean and more slick. So I like it right there, and also it holds my my headphones. So that's also a plus. The mic that I did have, I got rid of it. Yeah, remember I did say there's something that I needed. I think I just needed a better one. I think the 5.5 mic was okay. It's just, I don't know. I wasn't a fan of the background noise that it was picking up. I feel like I was always kind of creep in and make sure that I didn't make noise in the background, because a lot of times it would just pick that up, and I didn't like that. So we threw away the 5.5, got rid of it. Well, I lied. I didn't get rid of it. It's in my closet, but we don't have it no more, basically. So it's it's whatever. Another thing that we also changed is that bad boy back there. That bad boy back there. So remember I did say that this whole background is nothing but plain and I want to actually start building it up. Well, this was part of it. It used to be right next to me, but now it is behind me. And I'm still building around it. The top 3 shelves look really good. The bottom 2, I gotta buy extra stuff to kind of fill that out. But other than that, it's coming along pretty well. The type of vibe I'm going for with this is kind of like a woodsy, greeny type of vibe. So no type of tech would be on this thing at all. Unless it kind of, meets that requirement, if that makes sense. But other than that, this thing is coming along, man. This whole room is coming along, right? But the next thing I really want to do is my cable management. My cable management is absolutely ridiculous, just terrible, right? So I think I will be focusing on that because it is such an eyesore for me personally. It's probably not for you guys, but for me it is. And also, I'm going to be focusing on this corner. I was going to get a couch. I'm going to get a smaller couch right there, but I did ask my fiance about it, and how she feel about it. She thinks that I shouldn't do that first. I should just start putting things around the wall first to kind of fill this wall in, and then do that. And to be honest, she makes sense on that. So I'm gonna do that, and then once I build that, right, we're gonna fill it in. Because if I just get the couch, it looks weird, and it makes sense. If I just get the couch, it looks really weird. It would just sit there, but we're gonna figure that out. This place. It's coming along really good. I know this was more so, it feels like a push-up video, but I just wanted to update you guys what I have going on with this. But you guys, if you guys have any feedback, just let me know about what other things I should do with this space. What things am I missing? I am going to get another mic. That's something like how to find mic is, but it's going to be more expensive, so that's next on my plate. But other than that, yeah, man, that's all I really have, man. And lately, coming up with ideas for videos is there, but the way how this video started, I love creating stuff like that a lot of times. So I might start doing a little bit of lifestyle, like more lifestyles, like 50 lifestyle, 50 tech. But I don't know. We'll see what happens, right? Sometimes I just need to keep a niche to get an audience because lifestyle, it's lifestyle. So it's like whatever, right? But other than that, see you guys later. Peace.